goes so long like a piece of string. It's time to measure. The storm is coming and we've got to weather it. Clench your teeth, lock your jaw, don't worry. After the frost comes the thaw and the flurry of creativity and individuality. But first we must endure the numbing inevitability. The roaring 20s were a time of plenty. We'll return to that prosperity if it's meant to be. I'm looking for my cocoons, escape the doom. We'll all enjoy the boom that's sure to come to us soon. We'll wipe our brows clean, go out and be seen. That's the dream. Embrace each other, rise to the top like cream. Normality will return one day. We'll want less of your brain. We desire to go once again. In the end, we'll meet the promise once again. Divide more than left and right. Seems to me all we've got left these days is time. Day after day we remain the same. Day, month, year, decade, we've lost the time frame. We've grown strong, stoic in the face of adversity. From dying to saplings to wizened trees. It seems arbitrary, but just existing in these times are tough. Batten down the hatches while we ride through the rough. Hold on, even if you've had enough. There's a light shining through, though these times are tough. You're a ball survivor, hide your preservation, hesitation. Come be your downfall when you should be standing tall.
Thrice maniacs! Right, my turn. got everything you need, yeah?
Yeah, we do.
All right, then. Kev's coming through. It's not very nice, Kev. Oh, good work, sir. Saved!
I was a bit too close to then, I had to stop.
What a day it's been. Trails, woodland, byways, Salisbury Plain, and incoming. And some Charlie.
I'm just drying off slightly.
Just drying off. Has it been a wet day?
Yes.
Apart from the sunshine, the puddles have been pretty damn big. What a laugh.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, how do you normally finish a video? You're great, thanks for watching. Go on, hit that subscribe button. You won't do it. Cheers. Cheers, Jen.
Guys.
Great day.